There's a huge amount of information out there on the internet about how much money you actually need to start selling on Amazon. Some say you need thousands and some say you need just a few £100s or dollars. But can you actually start selling on Amazon with a few £100s or dollars? Well, it is going to be harder, that's for sure. But that's not to say it isn't possible. So today we'll be taking you through the exact way you can start selling on Amazon with not a lot of money. So Amazon FBA is a great business model. It stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. It's where you buy products, you send them into Amazon's warehouse, they're gonna store them for you. When you sell one, they'll send it out to your customer. They'll deal with all of your customer service, all of your returns. So it really is a hands-off business model. However, with any business where you have to buy stock, you're gonna need capital in order to get started. You're gonna need equipment to send your items into Amazon's warehouse and package them up. So how could you possibly do this without spending vast sums of money? Well, the key is the type of Amazon FBA you actually do. There are three main types of selling you'll probably come across. First up, we have arbitrage. This is where you buy items from retailers' website, whether that's Walmart in the US or B&M in the UK. So you're looking for items which are cheaper on the retailer's website and they're selling for more on Amazon. Now next you've got wholesale, and this is where you're buying from a wholesaler or maybe a manufacturer or some sort of supplier. You're gonna be buying the items from someone who is actually selling products to business customers and you'll be buying them in bulk. And then the third way is private label. What this actually means is you head over to a website like Alibaba, you find a product which already exists and you get your brand on it and you start selling it under your own brand. If you're watching this video, you're likely new to Amazon FBA, so you're not going to want to spend loads and loads of money on stock. So therefore, your best choice by far is using arbitrage, either retail or online arbitrage or a mixture of both. And the reason for this is because you don't need to spend loads of money on stock. You could easily start by just buying 10 units, learning the ropes and then taking it from there. So instead of spending thousands on stock, it really can be just a few hundred. And I'm going to be showing you this later on in this video, so make sure to stick around. But before then, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive Profitl discount code which can save you some money on your subscription. We'll make it pop up just here. It's going to save you either 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off, or 20% on monthly plans. So make sure to take that down if you are wanting to save some money on your Profitl subscription. By now, you're probably wanting to see how you can actually get started with not a lot of money. So let me show you an actual product and the basis of how it all works. So we're going to head onto the screen now, and we're on the website The Entertainer or thetoyshop.com, and this Disney Junior Mickey Fire Rescue figure we can buy for £6.66. It is in a sale, usually it's £20, so deals like this are great. Now we're going to head over to Amazon next, and we can see on Amazon this exact same product sells for £16.99. So look, we're buying it for £6.66 and it's going to sell for £16.99. Now let me just run you through the data on the Profitl Chrome extension. So it sells 18 to 28 units a month, and not a bad seller. It's making £4.53 profit after fees and 66% return on investment, and there's 8 other FBA sellers on this listing. So if you were looking to start on Amazon with not a lot of money, you could easily buy 10 of these products. That's going to cost you just under £70. But from them 10 products, that's going to bring you back revenue of £170. So that would mean a profit of about £45. So that would mean from our £70, which we spent, after our fees, we should get back around £115. So we've turned £70 into £115, and that is just a start on how it works. So turning the £70 into £115, that may not seem like a lot, but you can reinvest this in more products, and over time your pot is only going to get larger and larger. Key is just reinvesting your profits and not taking money out. Now we have explained this in quite simple terms. There is of course no guarantee we're going to sell these products at this price, but as long as you can analyze your deals correctly, you can maximize your chance of success. Now we do have other costs involved if we're wanting to sell on Amazon, and these are some something you do need to bear in mind. So you are going to need an Amazon seller subscription. You'll want the professional plan, which is £30 or $40 every single month. And then you are going to have some software costs like Profitl's Deal Analyzer, so you can analyze your deals correctly. And this will be another £30 to $40 a month. And then you've got things to consider like the equipment you need. So you're going to need a printer. This might be between 50 to 100. And you're also going to need packaging equipment. So you've got to get your items into Amazon's warehouse. So you might need boxes, albeit with these, you could reuse the boxes. You're going to need paper, labels, maybe poly bags. So these are all things you need to consider in your profit. It shouldn't add up to too much. And other than your software costs, generally these are a one-off cost. So as you can see, you really can start on Amazon without a huge amount of money. You're going to need some money to buy your products, and you're going to need some money for your software and some money for your equipment. But the key is keep reinvesting your profits, and you can build a really large FBA business using arbitrage. Now, once you've hit this point with your arbitrage business, you may look to branch out to the other types of Amazon FBA. So after you've done arbitrage, most people start to branch into wholesale as well. And then after that, it's looking into private label. Private label is the most lucrative, but it is the most risky and cost heavy. So we'd recommend have a great grasp of Amazon FBA before exploring this. So we hope that's given you a good understanding of starting Amazon with not a huge amount of money. We hope this has helped to answer some key questions. If you did have any more, just let me know in the comment. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.